Egypt's economic problems are hurting ordinary people. And for parents, the new school term has brought fresh financial pain. They're having to pay far more for tuition fees and supplies, such as notebooks.
Most Egyptian families pay between 30 to 50% of their annual income to school-related expenses. When it comes to lower socioeconomic classes who earn $80 a month, school affects their basic needs like food. So when you're required to get a $1 notebook, that's half of what he owns to pay in a day to support his entire family. So he couldn't care less about education.
And it's not just rising costs that are a worry. State schooling here is in trouble. Egypt's state education system is ranked the last among 148 nations. Almost all schools need massive renovation. They are overcrowded and violent child abuse is common. The principal of this school says his pupils are among the fortunate ones.
We have formed a board of trustees and got the government's approval to collect donations. So many parents and organizations help us, but we need more.
State schooling could deteriorate still further this year. The government has cut the budget from $108 million to just 62. Many parents are expected to put their children into private schools.
They are government employees, not well off. They would exact all their financial efforts to give their children better education. They are squeezed.
I felt that the level of public schools will harm my kids' behaviors. There's violence and there's blackmail, so students would pay for private lessons with their teachers.
The government has been insisting that education should be free, but Egyptians are now spending $2.5 billion a year on private lessons and supplies. This pile of garbage does not only indicate the responsibility that the government bears, but it also reflects how much residents of this neighborhood care about educating their children. Adel, Mahrouky, CCTV, Cairo.